All right, so welcome sixth grade. This is Ms. Otter here, and I just wanted to do a quick review over simplifying expressions. So the first thing I want you to notice on both of these examples is that there is not an equal sign. That's because these are expressions. Only equations have an equal sign. So take note of that. You are not going to have just one number answer because that's actually impossible with simplifying expressions when you have variables involved. So what we're doing is just cleaning up these expressions so they're easier to look at and use later on. All right. So let's look at number one. Just like PEMDAS, we must take care of the parentheses first. But if you look inside the parentheses, we cannot solve. So the only way I can take care of those parentheses is by distributing. So notice that I highlighted the plus operation in front of the 3. I did that because that's going to help me out down the road here. All right, so distribute. Multiply that positive 3 to everything inside the parentheses. So positive 3 times x would give you positive 3x. Positive 3 times positive 4 would give you positive 12. Notice those positive answers create my plus sign operation whenever I'm simplifying the expression. Everything else left in the expression simply is just brought down, and now my parentheses are gone. They have been taken care of. So from here, I combine my like terms. And you'll notice that you'll follow those same steps almost every time. You follow the PEMDAS rules where you take care of the parentheses by distributing, then combine like terms every time. So I'm going to color code mine here. Notice I'm circling my x-like terms, and I also included my operation in front of the 3, which is plus 3 or positive 3. So if I have 1x, understood 1x, plus 3 x's, I will have a total of 4 x's. And I can now cross those off. They are gone. We are done simplifying those. Next up are my constants. So I have a positive 6 and a positive 12. And when I combine those, I have 6 plus 12 giving me positive 18 or plus 18. And so now everything has been combined in my expression. My parentheses are done. If I look at my final answer for this expression, I cannot simplify anymore. So that is it. That is fully simplified. There is nothing else I can do. All right, so that's number one. Let's check out number two. Just like number one, I have to take care of some parentheses first. So I have to distribute. Notice again that I included the sign in front of the 2, which is minus 2, or we could look at it in this case as negative 2. So in order to take care of my parentheses, I must distribute by multiplying that front number to everything inside the parentheses. So negative 2 times 4m would give you negative 8m. Negative 2 times a negative 5 would give you a positive 10. That will make your life much easier down the road if you go ahead and apply those signs as your operations. All right, now drop everything else down that's left over because we took care of the parentheses. So I have 7 plus 3m minus 8m plus 10. All right, so all I have to do now is combine my like terms. So I'm going to start with my variables. I have a positive 3m and a negative 8m. Or if you combine them, you look at it as 3m minus 8m. So I have more negatives, and I have 5 more negatives. So that is negative 5m. So those guys are gone. Bye. And I am left with my constants to be combined. I have a 7, understood positive 7, and a positive 10. Or we could say 7 plus 10, which is positive 17. And those are gone now. So I am fully simplified. I have no other like terms to combine, and I have no parentheses left. So I am good to go. And that is how you simplify expressions.